Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting chemistry lessons from Adrenaline the Bazooka Prophet. So today we're going to be talking about questions around thermochemistry, past questions from A-level exams, precisely NEET and other A-level exams for undergraduates. Now, before we start, we should understand the concept thermochemistry. What is thermochemistry? Thermochemistry is a branch of physical chemistry that deals with the study of the heat changes or thermal changes that accompanies chemical reactions. Is that clear? Now we're going to be talking about the questions around it. Now, the first question says, which of the following is an extensive property? And we should understand that there are two kinds of properties under thermochemistry or thermodynamics. We have one, intensive properties. Number two, extensive. Now, the opposite of intensive is extensive. What then is an intensive property? Simple. Intensive properties are properties that do not depend on the quantity of matter the system contains. It does not depend, meaning it remains unchanged. That is for intensive. And the opposite of intensive is extensive. It means that if intensive do not depend on the quantity of matter the system contains, then extensive, it should depend. It means that extensive properties are properties that depend on the quantity of matter it contains. Examples of intensive, we should take note. We have melting point, we have boiling point, we have freezing point, we have viscosity, we have concentration, we have specific heat capacity. Take note, we have specific volume, we have specific heat capacity. Is that clear now? We have molality, we have color, we have pressure. Is that clear now? These are examples of intensive properties. Examples of extensive properties, there are very many. We have mass, we have volume, we have free Gibbs energy, we have internal energy, enthalpy, H is enthalpy, X is entropy, N is number of moles. We have heat capacity. Take note, heat capacity is extensive. Volume is extensive. But specific volume, if you hear the word specific, it is related to the intensive properties. Now we cannot do these examples, these questions now with ease. Of course, which of the following is an extensive property? We have mass, specific volume, boiling point, melting point, molality. All of them here are intensive except mass. Mass is an extensive property from what I did here just now. Number two says, which of the following is an intensive property? Mass, volume, temperature, length, number of moles. Take note, length is an intensive property. Number three says, which of the following is not a state function? Now we fall back again to our brief explanation. A state function is a property that depends only on its present state. Present, not past, not future, not the past. Only on the present state. Examples are, we have volume, VPT. We have volume, we have pressure, we have temperature, we have Helmholtz energy. We also have, again, there are very many. We have entropy. We have internal energy. All these are examples of a state function. Now, which of the following is not a state function? Take note. We have work, energy, volume, pressure, temperature. Take note, the correct answer here is work. Work is not a state function. Number four says, if you cut a melter block in half, does its density change? The answer is no. Why? Because density is an intensive property. And this marks the end of this first part. We're going to be doing more questions from more questions under this series now. Is that clear? Now, do well to subscribe, like, and share. For those who want an online personal class, you can do well to chat me up with this number, as you can see on the whiteboard, and we are good to go. Thank you, and God bless you.